The lion walks with a mighty roar. He shakes his mane and roars some more. Don't roar, hear him say, he's the king, now step away. The elephant stomps with a thump, 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 waves his trunk and jumps, jumps, jumps with the trumpet loud and strong. He leads the jungle song. Oh, 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 oh. The monkey swings from tree to tree, tattering loud and wild as can be. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Hear him say, he loves to jump and play all day. The duck goes quack as she waddles around, flapping her wings and splashing the ground. Quack, quack, what a sight! She loves the pond, morning and night. The zebra trots with stripes so bold, black and white, a sight to behold. Clip, clop, fast and free, running wild, just wait and see. The animals dance, the drums go loud, the jungle sings a happy crowd. You clap your hands, one last cheer, the animal parade is finally here.